What is going on, traders? I wanted to give you a quick update on the current market situation and what I'm seeing right now. Consider this your pre-weekly outlook. I'll do another one on Monday based on the weekly close as well. But let's go straight into it. I'll tell you what trades I'm currently in right now as well. Starting off with BTC, it's just been diabolical. It's been disgusting. It's been criminal. Let's start off with what we were anticipating. We were anticipating for the 107K region to get tapped into. We knew that price came and we created this wick. We expected a move up, potentially taking out the highs down here, but we're expecting a rollover to the downside. And the reason why we were expecting this was, let me just go on the daily time frame, is because of this. We've got the market maker sell model down here. This is the original consolidation at around 107K thousand. However, we did not tap into that region. So for me, this down here is a fake low, and we have a lot of liquidity resting below down here. So we were obviously expecting a move to the upside, possibly taking out the regions of around 117 to 120K, call it 121K. We've now obviously come much higher into that region, and this now has become a fake high. And I'm now anticipating for the highs to get taken, and I'll tell you exactly why in a second. But what we can expect for next week is two things. Now, number one is we smash right through this and we create a new all-time high. And the second thing we can expect is a possible slight retracement and then come back up. What interests me the most is we've had this move to the upside. We haven't really grabbed the liquidity from the regions down here. So we know there's liquidity resting below down here, and we haven't had any retracement. So that's what's really interesting for me. So that could mean if we fail to take out the all-time high, this could come collapsing down aggressively, very, very aggressively. So we want to keep an eye on that. Now, the thing also that strikes me is on the total market cap, we have taken out the all-time high. So given that we've taken out the all-time high on total and not yet on BTC, makes me believe there's a possibility that we will take out the all-time high on BTC next week. The second thing is the move that we have down here is mainly driven by BTC and not the alts. Therefore, now this is going to be very interesting, because what we're seeing is if we start getting a move down on total, and we're seeing it right now, the alts are going to move much more aggressively to the downside. And yes, this is exactly what we want, because we want extreme fear in the market. We want mass liquidations and capitulation in the market, and this could happen. My only question is, are we first going to get the move to the upside on BTC? Therefore, this will drive up, likely pumping the alts, keep moving up. Then we'll get the mass liquidations to the downside, mass fear. And that's when we can spot buy our alts, our bags. Now, coming back onto BTC, let's just pull out the trade that I was in. I'll tell you exactly what I was looking at. So number one, we had a 4-hour fair value gap within this region down here. We had a 78.6% rejection from this region here as well. So I had my entries around that region. Price did come down, but we failed to break below and we came straight up. My stop loss was around 123,500 and we striked right into it. Haven't yet taken out all-time highs, and we're currently out of the trade. Now, interestingly, this was looking really nice, especially with the alignment of the total market cap chart, because on the total, we had the same thing. We had this 4-hour fair value gap down here, which we tapped into and rejected. Yes, we came a bit higher on the 78.6. We took out all the liquidity down here. So I was expecting the rollover to the downside. Didn't happen. It is what it is. It's fine. It's part of trading. Let's move on to the next one. So to summarize, I've told you exactly what I'm anticipating on BTC. Let's see how the weekly closes, and I'll give you an update on that. Let's move on to XRP. So I'm currently in XRP right now, and it's doing great. So this move down here, interestingly, let me just move this to the side. This move down here is mainly driven by the total market cap moving by around 1% to the downside. And it's pretty aggressive. So if we continue seeing the total market cap move to the downside, this could be a good move to the downside for the alts, creating mass fear in the market. So I want to see how we react around these regions, around these levels. Just to summarize in terms of the entry and what I was looking at, this was a beautiful trade if anyone else had taken it. So what we had was these swing highs, we had a swing low, we had a swing high, we had a swing low down here, which is also a fake low. These are all fake lows down here, and I'm expecting the liquidity to get grabbed from around these regions. But what I was looking at for this entry was we can call it from here. So we had the premium side of the dealing range above this 50% level. We had this fair value gap down here as well. Let me just remove that. And then we also had this order block down here as well. And we tapped right into it. My levels for entry was actually in between the 78.6 and 61.8, basically at the fair value gap down here. Great entry. I had my stops just above down here. I didn't want to put it above here because if we did come out and take out these highs down here, it's likely we would have taken out these highs as well, similar to the current situation on BTC right now. My targets are to the downside. Stop losses at break even right now. May get a pullback up from here, and we'll see how we react from these regions, and I will take some of my profits off the table. But my overall target is around this region down here, and if we can come to the levels of around 2.56, that'll be great. There's no other entries or any other trades that I'm in right now. I'll keep you guys updated if I do take any other trades, but things are looking good. It's very interesting. The market is on the side of where we can't anticipate everything right now because of where BTC and the total market cap is currently at right now. But I'll keep you guys updated. So if you like these types of videos, I do crypto analysis based on the ICT concepts. So subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.